अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि हज़रत अल्लामा मोहम्मद आसिम मिर्ज़ा क़ादरी जिलानी तशरीफ़ लाते हैं और मुख्तसर टाइम में अपने ख़यालात का इज़हार फरमाते हैं।
नहमदुहु नुसल्ली व नुसल्लिमु अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़क़द क़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फ़िल क़ुरआनिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम फ़क़ुल तआलौ नदअु अबनाअना व अबनाअकुम व निसाअना व निसाअकुम व अनफुसना व अनफुसकुम थुम्मा नब्तहिल फ़नजअल लअनतल्लाहि अलल काज़िबीन सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़ी शानि हबीबिही मुख़बिरन व आमिरा इन्नल्लाहा व मलाइकतहु युसल्लूना अलन नबी या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लु अलैहि व सल्लिमू तस्लीमा अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या सय्यदी या रसूलल्लाह وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله الصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيدي يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله الصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيدي يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله इल्मे अली की धूम है कुल कायनात में इल्मे अली की धूम है कुल कायनात में फज़ले अली का रंग है हर बात बात में बुग़्ज़े अली से बाज़ आ ए वक्त के यजीद हुब्बे अली को दखल है तेरी नजात में हुब्बे अली को दखल है तेरी नजात में
मरचां दा पक्का हो जाए नारे हैदरी।
Dearly beloved, honorable, respected ulama, brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In recent days, we have seen utter retardedness and disgusting behavior on social media. Myself personally, being a student of Qibla Mufti Ghulam Rasool Sahab Jamaati Rahmatullah Alayh and Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam Madda Dhilluhul Ali wa Damat Barakatuhum Al-Aliyah, I like to deal with facts, not bogus things. My question is, number one, why are people commenting in this country when they weren't even there? How can they ascertain the truth of the matter when they weren't even there? If we were to bring these people in the court of law and we ask them, please explain to us what happened, the first question they will be asked is, were you there or were you not there? They will say, we were not there. Immediately, they will be thrown away. They will be thrown out. They will not be able to stand up and give any sort of testimony. So, I'm not going to focus on what happened on the 4th of September, but I do want to speak a few words about what happened very, very recently in a conference that happened with a handful of people who spoke about the same issue. In that particular instance, there were some scholars of Islam that wanted to make a few comments, they wanted to make a few points. And those are the points that I want to actually make a few points of my own. Number one of the ulama said what he had to say, but he quoted أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم لا إكراه في الدين. Now please explain to me, in what context are you using la ikraha fi din? Are you calling yourself kafir or are you calling us kafir? You need to first of all explain who it is that you're saying this to and what you are trying to achieve. Next thing I want to say to the very same alim-e-din who mentioned this, let me ask you a question. Who was it that gave a kufr ka fatwa, a fatwa of kufr on Pir Karam Shah Sahib al-Azhari? Who was that person? And remember, he is your spiritual guide or your sheikh or your teacher's teacher. Remember this is a very important point. Who gave that kufr ka fatwa? And now you are attending a majlis, a conference, and speaking against the very person Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam, who not on one occasion but many occasions said that you haven't said anything when that kufr ka fatwa came upon Pir Karam Shah Sahab. I have, and I will speak against it, and he has spoken against it, and he has spoken about it many times. So that is my second question. First of all, La ikraha fi din, in what context are you mentioning this? If you are truly an alim din, you should definitely look at siyaq u sbaq, you should look at context, and then mention the verses. You shouldn't come You need to have points, and that's when you say them. Number two, why are you saying things? Why are you getting involved? Look at your age, look at your knowledge, and look at your presence. What was the point of you being there? Number two, no, that's point number one. Number two, to a certain mufti alim, or mufti Islam, or mufti fulan wa fulan, I don't know what he gives himself those titles. My question to you is this: forget that my Qibla Mufti Ghulam Rasool Sahab said something to you, but did not Mufti Hanif Qureshi Sahab address you very recently? Did he not just very recently say to you in front of so many hundreds and thousands of people on live social media? You guys like social media, so let's address social media for a minute. So did you not did you not hear what he had to say? And did he not pull out Qasim-e-Wilayat at the end? And have you not read Qasim-e-Wilayat? Have you not seen the questions that my Qibla Mufti Ghulam Rasool Sahab Jamaati Rahmatullah Alayh has asked you? Have you not seen the kufr ka fatwa that's upon you? If you've got so much ghairat, if you have so much honor and pride about your Islam and about who you are, then should you not first of all answer those questions instead of asking us new questions or saying new things? Number two. Number three, we have a certain person, and he likes to have a lot of jalal in him these days, and he likes to say many things, and again he has challenged Huzur Mufakkir Islam to a munazara. He has challenged Qibla Huzur to a debate. Now let me ask you a question. Were you not mentally aware? Were you not mentally present on the 27th of November 2011 when Qibla Faizan-e Mufakkir Islam, Qibla Pir Sayyid Mazhar Hussain Shah Sahab came to your doorstep and said to you that you wanted to challenge Huzur Mufakkir Islam to a munazara? I am here. That was Qibla Sayyid Mazhar Hussain Shah Sahab. He accepted your challenge, so-called challenge. Why have you not retaliated to that? Why have you not responded to that? Chalo theek hai munazara, that was 27th of November. Let's go slightly before that. On the 14th of May, 14th of May 2011 is when Qibla Pir Sayyid Mazhar Hussain Shah Sahab accepted your challenge. Now for those people who like to challenge Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam's nasab, Huzur Mufakkir Islam Damat Barakatuhum Al-Aliyah, on the 27th of November 2011, he under فَمَنْ حَاجَّكَ فِيهِ مِنْ بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَكَ مِنَ الْعِلْمِ فَقُلْ تَعَالَوْا نَدْعُوا أَبْنَاءَنَا وَأَبْنَاءَكُمْ وَنِسَاءَنَا وَنِسَاءَكُمْ وَأَنفُسَنَا وَأَنفُسَكُمْ ثُمَّ نَبْتَهِلْ فَنَجْعَلْ لَعْنَةَ اللَّهِ عَلَى الْكَاذِبِينَ. He quoted this verse, and media is there. You can watch it. And if you don't have the media links, we can send them to you. You can give me a call, because you guys have given me calls, pranked calls or whatever, all these death threats. And the most amazing thing is that in the same conference a few days ago, one of the ulama said, oh, they've been sending us anthrax. Now, if you were sent anthrax, surely you should have reported it to the police, no? That's a very, very big offense. But anyway, I'm not going to go to that part. I want to focus on this particular point, which is Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam said, whoever has any doubt on my nasab, I want them to come and challenge me, but they won't be able to. You know why? Because I am going to challenge you to a mubahala. And I'm going to end it by mentioning this. You want to doubt a person whose nasab is so sacha and so sucha that he can himself if he wanted to take you to the very, very places and explain to you where and when they came and how they came and the circumstances and where they're buried and the names. Remember, this is no small hasti. This is Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam. And he came to the United Kingdom, not now, he came many years ago, when there was no concept of Piri Muridi, when you had to actually work really hard. Not now. This is Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam, who is son of Sayyid Imam Vilayat Ali Shah Sahab, who is son of Sayyid Imam Mahtab Ali Shah Sahab, who is son of Imam Shah Nur Hussain Badshah Sahab, who is son of Hazrat Sayyidina Imam Hasanain Ali Shah Sahab al-Jilani, and then who is son of Sayyid Imam Amir Ali Shah Sahab, who is son of Sayyid Imam Mardan Ali Shah Sahab, who is son of Sayyid Imam Sultan Ali Shah Sahab, who is son of Sayyid Imam Shamsuddin Shah Sahab, who is son of Sayyid Shah Chirag Lahori Rahmatullah Alayhi, who is son of Sayyid Imam Abdul Wahab Shah Sahab, who is son of Sayyid Imam Shah Abdul Qadir Sani, who is son of Sayyid Imam Ghaus al-Wala Pir, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Zainul Abidin, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Abdul Qadir Sani Shah Sahab al-Jilani, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Muhammad Ghaus Uchiwala, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Shamsuddin Shah Sahab Jilani, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Mahmud Shah Sahab, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Ali Shah Sahab, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Abdul Salam Sufi Shah Sahab, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Shah Abdul Wahab Shah Sahab, who is the son of Sultan al-Awliya Sheikh Abdul Qadir al-Jinani Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayhi, who is son of Sayyid Imam Abu Saleh Musa, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Abdullah al-Jili, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Muhammad radiyallahu ta'ala an, who is the son of Sayyid Imam al-Yahya al-Zahid, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Dawood, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Musa, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Abdullah, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Musa al-Jawn, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Abdullah, who is the son of Sayyid Imam Hassan al-Muthanna, who is the son of Hazrat Imam Hassan, and who is the son of Hazrat Imam Mawla Ali karramallahu ta'ala wajhul kareem. So if you have any doubts, I'm nothing. I am the dust beneath the dust of Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam's feet. Just remember that. I have no credentials. But if you want to have a discussion on the nasab of Huzur Ghaus Pak and on the nasab of Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam, I don't have to come forward. There are videos, all they're available for you. I don't have time to waste. I have productive time that I need to be using on places and issues that really need that focus. I'm going to end it over here. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep us under the guidance of Qibla Huzur Mufakkir Islam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant him a very, very long life. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep us united, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala spread the message of the Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. This is the true place where you seek the knowledge of Ahlul Bayt, of the Sahaba Kiram, not just 4 yaar, in fact haq sab yaar. Jazakallah khair.